Asus G14, CPU Ryzen 9 A945, GPU RTX4060, studio driver, laptop setting CPU turbo, GPU standard. CUDA is enabled. Playing a Sony 4K. 4K preview smooth. Playing a DJI 4K. 4K preview smooth. Preview scrubbing, not a problem. Newest G14 processor, Ultra 9 285H. GPU RTX5080. NVIDIA Studio driver. G-Helper CPU set to turbo, GPU set to standard. Display graphics setting. Force Premiere Pro to use GPU. CUDA is enabled. Premiere Pro 2025 4K Sony. Play, not a problem. 4K DJI, you play. Choppy. One more time. Nothing. Scrubbing timeline. Response slow. Switching to Premiere Pro Beta. Sony's 4K, not a problem. Scrubbing, not a problem. DJI's 4K, choppy. Not moving. Scrubbing. Slow. DJI 4K. Nothing.